Today, I'm installing a Kwikset door lock and showing you exactly how to do it step by step. I'll be upgrading my current lock to the Kwikset Halo keypad. And as you can see, my current keypad is a touchscreen, and the sunlight damaged the glass and cracked it. So we're going to replace this. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is slide up the screen and remove the batteries. And then we're going to remove the screws from both sides and from underneath. And then we can pop off this first cover and then remove the rest of the screws. Now remove the back side of the lock and disconnect the cable that connects the keypad. Now remove the two main screws that hold the exterior side of the lock in place. Now we can remove the interior bracket and the outside keypad. Now you can really see how much damage the sun has caused to this touchscreen. That's why I'm upgrading to a keypad. And since this is also a Kwikset lock, I'm keeping the existing latch because it's compatible. If you're switching brands, you may need to replace this part. And now we're ready to install the new lock. We're going to start by installing the mounting plate, and then we're going to feed the cable through and install the exterior keypad. And then we'll add our interior bracket, line it up, I'm going to screw it in. And before you completely tighten everything, make sure you level it and everything's lined up. And next, we're going to connect the new cable linking the inside of the lock to the exterior keypad. And be sure to tuck away any extra wire back into the hole so the lock can sit flush against the door. Now that it's in place, we can screw everything back in. And remember, do not insert batteries until the lock has been installed. And now that you install batteries, if you're successful, it'll sound like this. And the green light indicator means it's successful. And last but not least, we install the final back cover and we screw it back in. Now go ahead and test the lock and make sure everything is working smoothly and lined up correctly. Super easy setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.